How to fix pictures not showing in gallery of Android device. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So for this process, what you're going to do is go to the settings of the device and then scroll down to apps, then tap on manage apps. After that, you will be searching for the gallery application on our device. So let's gonna search gallery over here. Then tap on clear cache and you'll be able to clear the cache of the application. Tap on OK. After, what you can do is go to the Google Photos option over here. Then go to the library section, and under library section you'll be able to see the option of locked over here. So just tap on locked and you need to enter your passcode over here. So a lot of times some pictures are directly moved to the locked section of the photos and it will not be shown in the gallery of the Android device. So what you have to do is just make a long press on the photo and then tap on move, and you'll be able to move out of the locked folder for this photo. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed watching it, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell notification for more updates. That's it for today and see you next time.